I was stuck. I didn't know what to do. If you want to hear about how I increased my credit points by 178 points, then watch this video to the end. So about 4 years ago, I had so much credit card debt. I had about 9 credit cards, and I had a whole bunch of personal loan. I was going through personal issues, and I was every time I got offered a credit card or personal loan, I took an opportunity and applied. After maxing out these credit cards, there was no way for me to pay back, and I got a call from this credit resolution team that promised that they were going to help me to pay up my debt, and all I needed to do was combine all my debt and pay about $380 a month, and in about 4 years I'll be able to pay all my debt. That is what I was told. So after registering with them, I was then told, stop paying for all your credit cards and all your personal loan. Don't pay for it, and we're going to help you. And basically, the way to go about it is not pay, allow for them to take it to collection, and then they negotiate about 50% of whatever amount I owe. And this was the biggest mistake of my life, because my credit history or my credit report had a whole bunch of derogatory comments about charge-offs, late payments. It was miserable. My credit score went low, but I wasn't worried about it because of what I was going through at this point. I just wanted to pay up all the money and get my credit score back to where it should be. So I thought to myself, $300 and something a month is not bad. You know what? Instead of waiting 4 years, how about I pay more to make it faster? So within a year, I mean, at this point, I've gone back to my job. I've started my business, so I just left everything and focused on that first, and I paid it all back within a year. After paying it all, my credit score still did not increase. Now my credit score did not increase. I've paid all this debt, and there's still this comments, charge-offs, late payments on my account, and I did not know what to do. I was stuck. I didn't know what to do. So, after meeting my mentor, he helped me a lot and told me the US codes that I could use to back up literally all these charge-offs and late payments. Because at this point, I had paid it off, but they did not remove it from my account, and he explained to me what I could do. And this was a game changer. I have since then repaired my own credit. I have assisted a lot of people. I have had clients that in 30 days, their credit score went up by 264 points. Even I have been shocked at the results that I've been getting. If you're looking for this type of results because you have made so much mistake in your past, go to our website at profilerservices.com. It's called Profiler, Profiler services.com, and click on book a meeting and talk to me. I offer free consultation to help you check all the derogatories in your account, what I can do, and how long it can take to fix your credit. It's not expensive. I make it affordable. I do payment plans. Check it out and let's work together.